Kaden, come on, show us your room. He loves his room. So welcome to the room of Kaden. Let's start by here. I bought this little kitchen in IKEA where he can play. And also this frame comes from Home Goods. I find it super cute. This is the basket for dirty clothes. I bought this bookshelf on Amazon. It's about 36 inches each. And I really like it because it holds a lot of books. The teddy bears come from IKEA, and I bought this storage combination with boxes. The beds come from IKEA. I really like it because there is this guardrail for safety. The bed cover and pillow come from IKEA. The bed tent too. And the teddy bears come from IKEA, except for the pillow. I found it on Home Goods. These little frames, I bought them on Home Goods, and also those bed canopy comes from IKEA. The carpet too. I love this little bench for toy storage that I bought on IKEA. The kids curtain with animal printed come from Amazon. I like the texture because it's really thick. The snake come from IKEA. I bought a blackboard that does also whiteboard and paper drawing in IKEA. The monkey come from IKEA. Display tunnel come from IKEA too. Also this children table with the chair. The frame, I bought it in Ross. And the dart game have two motifs, so you can learn both numbers and colors. My sons love it.